Our macros in the back of the hot dogs. I've always liked the KM beef, frank, and pork meat in the hot dogs because they taste really good. So I'm just going to cut the package open with a pair of regular scissors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you get eight in a package, a hot dog package. And I usually just take a piece of paper towel and I just kind of like dry them a little bit because they were wet because they popped them out of the freezer. Okay, pretty simple, guys. I don't want to cut them all the way through, but what I'll do is I just take a regular sharp knife. It's like this. 3 times, that's good. And then I'll flip them on the back side. The reason why you do that is because it gives them a nice scoring mark, and they help them to cook a lot better. Those are ready to pop into our air fryer. So all I do is I just spray it a little bit with a little bit of cooking oil spray, and I'm using avocado spray. Those just go right in. This is the 5.8 quart air fryer, by the way. They just go in like that. That's fine. Don't release that, because if you release that and pick that up, that's going to fall on the floor. You hear that beep? Okay, so this is the first time we're using the new air fryer today. Going to move that on an angle there. I'm going to put it on for about 380 temperature. I think about maybe 8 minutes. Let's lock in that temperature. Okay, and that lock in that temperature. Okay. Let it go. It locks in after about 10 seconds. Okay, now it's ready to turn on, and then hit the on button right here. As you can see from our temperature time, it's just about 4 minutes. So let's pop it and shake the basket up a little bit. And that's what they look like after the 4-minute mark. They're almost really cooked there. So at this point, I just take a pair of tongs, put them in a bowl like that. See how nicely they split open like that? Got 8